So one of the most common questions we receive is what you do if a payment is captured but doesn't post in Business Central. And so a lot of times what will happen is if we receive an error during the posting process, it kind of depends on when that error occurs. Most of the time you'll find the payment stopped at the cash receipt journal. There are some occasions where if the error occurs prior, then you may need to create a manual entry in the cash receipt journal to process that. So some of the errors that we see most common would be a dimension error, or maybe a permissions error, deadlock error, and then also possibly the posting date range in your general ledger setup. It might be outside of the indicated dates. So what you would do is you want to confirm that your payment was captured. So I would check card point to make sure that it was processed there. And then you would go into your cash receipt journal in BC. And then typically we set up with the iPay batch. And so you want to indicate, or you want to select that iPay batch and then see if your payment is in the cash receipt journal for manual posting, and then to apply. What I would do from here, because it is stuck, we want to see if there's an error. You can do the drop down next to post and preview posting. And typically if the error is still there, it would indicate. In this case, we don't have the error showing. You can also check in your the error message register within BC to see if there was an internal error. So from here, we would just go ahead and post. And then once it's posted, it will apply. And then it should show that the document or the invoice was captured and paid for.